Well, hi guys and girls, Emma again. Welcome back to the spare room. Actually, this is the lounge room, but I've been lucky enough to purchase a Hornby train set, no gauge, and there's almost enough track to make a circle. I'm going to get a board here that probably goes back behind the couch when I'm not using it, just for an oval circle, and I've laid that out. There's here on the floor, just a circle. I'm probably going to, at some point, add to it and put a siding or such. This is a really bad track system, as anyone who's ever messed with it probably already knows. It's terrible. What we have is a lot of this happening because there are some issues with the couplings and with the track, and I think that's probably just part of the thing. So it's lots of fun. It's something that's fairly frustrating. But with a bit of practice, it's really, can see why it was such a successful system. If the track was all screwed down and carefully aligned, I don't think you would have any problems there. And if we look at our London, Chatham and Dover locomotive, that runs on this track nicely too. So I think we've got a winner. The only problem I have is that we're missing one section of track. Now I think I've rectified that. I would have liked 3-rail because I would like to build an electric engine or a replica electric engine, and that might still happen one day if I find a nice circular 3-rail track to replace this with. But this set all come in a nice box. It's the original box with 3 wagons, one of which still has a couple of problems and we need to sort that out, and a clockwork locomotive, which is lots of fun. It's got 2 control levers, one's to start and stop and one's forward and reverse, and it seems to be reasonably reliable and in pretty good condition. It'll do 4 or 5 laps on one line. So it's all in the box. I don't believe that this is probably, I think probably we're just missing one circle, one piece of track. Well, there's 2 straights in here instead of just the curved piece of track, because it doesn't quite all fit in the box. So I believe this just come with one circle of track, and the 2 straights were an extra. So the 3-rail fits reasonably well. reckon for a start that's a good start, but a set of points and a siding there maybe might be a good idea instead. But next job, I guess, with this, at some point, probably when I get back from the bash, will be to make a baseboard and paint it green in genuine toy train fashion, and put some legs on it so I can reach it all rather than clamber about on the floor. So thanks for watching, be kind to each other, and I better get in and finish these locomotives now. More soon.